Well, the first thing you need for a snowstorm is the cold air, and we certainly have that. It's been sticking around now for the past several days. Temperatures have been running below normal. Today, no exception. After last night's light coating of snow moved out, it kind of set the stage for a cold night. Temperatures dipped down into the teens in the early morning hours and only rebounded to just a few degrees above freezing at BWI Marshall. Actually, a couple degrees cooler than what we were expecting this afternoon. So again, it is certainly cold enough for snow, and you can see all across the state now we're at or below freezing. From 31 on the beach at Ocean City to just 14 in Oakland. Head up into southern PA, mid-20s up that way. Cecil County checks in around Elkton right at the freezing point at 32 degrees. And that's why conditions are ripe for a powerful storm to move up the coast. We've got blizzard warnings west of the bay and into southern Maryland. Blizzard watches in the yellow shaded area here over on the eastern shore. And all that really just means is we've got a big old storm coming with a lot of wind that could hamper travel here, especially on Saturday. Here's the storm right now. It's a rainmaker. In fact, it's more spring-like than winter-like at this hour, producing thunderstorms and a tornado threat on the Gulf Coast. So severe weather threat, but that kind of just gives you an indication for the strength of this storm. It's a very strong jet stream driving underneath this storm system that'll take it over toward the eastern seaboard and then move up the east coast into the cold air. And that's when we start to be more concerned with it. It looks like the timing is moved up an hour or two. I've always been thinking that this would really kick in after sunset. Now it looks like it'll probably get here toward the end or toward the middle part of the evening rush hour, especially in D.C., up to Baltimore by about 5 or 6, and then up into the northeastern corner of the state about 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. And then they'll just get progressively worse tomorrow night with strong winds, heavy snow, and same thing on Saturday night. In fact, this doesn't really move out of here until the wee hours of the morning on Sunday. Before sunrise on Sunday morning, the last of the flurry should be winding down and the storm system moves off the coast and pulls away. Later in the day Sunday, looking forward to some sunshine, but it's going to be breezy and cold and there'll be a lot of snow on the ground to finish up the weekend. We're holding to this forecast on the low end, 12 inches, on the high end, maybe 18 to 24 inches around the Baltimore area. And then you get into that 2 to 3 feet of snow up in the mountains of western Virginia. It'll be interesting to see the snow reports that come out of that part of the world. They look like they are in the jackpot area for snowfall. And then as Tony was mentioning before, it's not just the snow, but where wind is concerned. That's why the blizzard warning is issued, not for the depth of the snow, but for the reduced visibility due to strong wind gusts. This computer model is indicating 58, 55, 50 mile an hour wind gusts, not steady winds, but at least some gust up to that. As those winds come across the open waters of the bay, there'll be very strong wind gusts on the western shore, and maybe even gusting over 40 miles an hour all the way back to Frederick. Saturday morning looks like it'll be really tough. So with snow on the ground and those kind of winds, visibilities get reduced to under a quarter mile, and that's why the blizzard warning is in effect. So tonight, clear and cold, the calm before the storm, 16 to 23. Tomorrow, might even see a little peek at the sun in the morning, and then it clouds up in the afternoon, and the snow really kicks in as we go into tomorrow night. Heavy snowfall accumulations Friday night, Saturday morning, 12 to 24 inches by the time it all winds down. Sunday, we get some sunshine. It'll be breezy and cold at 35. Monday above freezing, but then a rain-snow mixture possible on Tuesday.